Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DXTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. But before we get to that question, I just want to quickly note and kind of circle back that each one of these does indeed represent 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see for the vast majority of the day, not much was going on. And then all of a sudden, the afternoon happened. So my guess would be some sort of news or press release. Something happened in the afternoon that caused not only volume to increase, but then the price made a very, very nice move. Which leads to the logical question, all right, yeah, the bulls made a nice move, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And it all revolves around this green line here at 27 cents, which actually comes from a previous time I've done an analysis on this. I don't remember when the last video I did was, but one of the times, I mapped out 27 cents, and it definitely pertains in this situation to help us answer the question. How is that the case? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 27 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back inside of a range that it just broke out of, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say something like this happens where the price does pull back a little bit more, but then bounces around and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress as 27 cents. What about areas of resistance? Yeah, you have this overall one up here at 35 cents, but in more of the nearer term and kind of one of the initial levels of resistance, that first point will be right there at about 32 cents. All in all, no doubt about it, very powerful afternoon. So now things transition to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.